ThatsC&E, Cooking and Eating with Chantal. Today I'm going to show you how to make sushi bake. If you want to see how I made this dish, keep on watching. You're going to need 2 cups of cooked rice, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, half a teaspoon of sesame oil, 3 tablespoons of furikake of your choice. Today I'm using salmon. That's done. 1 cup of imitation crab meat. A 1/4 cup of softened cream cheese. Japanese mayo, about a 1/4 cup. Sriracha sauce, 1 tablespoon. Grease your pan with some cooking oil. Add your rice mixture, some more furikake, your crab mixture, chopped up with some mayo, sriracha sauce, and more furikake. Bake in the oven for 15 minutes. If you want to see my mukbang video, click on this button right here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification button. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching.